In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix a really frustrating issue. If your AirPods Pro aren't connecting to your iPhone, don't worry, we'll walk through a few simple steps to get everything working again. First things first, let's make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Simply swipe from the right of your iPhone and simply turn on Bluetooth. Alternatively, you can go to Settings app, then tap on Bluetooth and make sure it's enabled. Once Bluetooth is on, let's check if your AirPods Pro appear in the list of available devices. Just tap on them to connect it. Next, make sure your AirPods Pro are charged. If the case's LED light is showing orange or red, they may need a charge. Just pop your AirPods back into the case, plug it in, and let them charge for a few minutes. Now, if your AirPods still aren't connecting, let's try restarting Bluetooth. Go back to Settings and on Bluetooth. Now, what you need to do is turn off Bluetooth and wait about 10 seconds and turn it back on and try reconnecting the AirPods. Still no luck? Let's go ahead and forget your AirPods from your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Tap on the little eye next to your AirPods name, then select Forget Device. Once you forget them, place your AirPods back in the case, close the lid, and wait about 10 seconds. Then open the lid again and hold the setup button and set it up. Another thing to check is if your both iPhone and AirPods Pro have the latest update. To check your iPhone's updates, head to Settings and on General and Software Update. Your AirPods update automatically when connected to your iPhone, but you can also check the firmware version by going to Settings and Bluetooth. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps help you fix the issue with the AirPods Pro not connecting.